Alright, everybody, it's your boy Rome. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe if you're new. Referee, blow the whistle. Let's go. Alright, so today we're going to talk about Aaron Wan-Bissaka. Sky Sports News was first to report that Aaron Wan-Bissaka will be put on a transfer block. Basically, be put on the set to be sent out of the team, either by loan or to be sold out. So we're going to talk about Aaron Wan-Bissaka today. We're going to talk about his flaws, his attributes, and then we're going to talk about who I think should replace him. So let's go. All right, so Aaron Wan-Bissaka this is the guy that I must say that I am confused as hell when it comes to Aaron Wan-Bissaka and his performances, because he is so good defensively. As a defender, he is absolutely good, especially in one-on-one and one-on-ones. This man made Raheem Sterling look like a baby on more than one occasion. All games, every game versus Manchester City since Aaron Wan-Bissaka been to Manchester United, he has looked like a king when it comes to Raheem Sterling. And his one-on-one defending is absolutely impeccable. No one can get past him. No one. But when it comes to defending with crosses crosses coming towards him, falters. His positioning, faltering. He always have to be recovering, which is good because he recovers, makes the tackle, yes. But still, what happened to getting in the position that he can prevent a pass or prevent someone from going deep, like playing the offside trap and anything? He doesn't have that in his ability, and what he's lacking in positioning, what he's lacking in dealing with balls over towards him, over the top or crosses in the ball in the air. He also lacks in attacking. Now, I can see Ten Hag coming in and taking him as, all right, we need you for position. He has to stand there. We need you to position himself so he can, clear the ball when the ball comes across. But when it comes to attacking, these are talents that either have it or you don't. And clearly he does not. He cannot cross the ball to save his life. Cannot cross the ball to save his life. His passing, needs more to desire. 5 out of 10 for me when it comes to passing, but crossing, fam. When it comes to getting the ball on the flank, pushing down the flank and putting in a crossing, he is shit and it's sad. And that's why I think Manchester United is asking for him to be sold or loaned out, because at the end of the day, we need a defined product. We need a finished product in certain cases so that we can work on him in other cases. So I do think I love Aaron Wan-Bissaka because of his defensive attributes. He is very good defensively. When it comes to the game itself, being a defensive player who's supposed to be aiding and in attacking, there is no attacking when it comes to Aaron Wan-Bissaka. And for him to be a wing back or right back, whatever we want to call him, he needs to be able to go down on the flank and swing crosses in accurately, left, right, and center, and he doesn't have that. I want to give a shout to Ethan here because he's currently a Manchester United player who was out on loan last season. He played the first half with Swansea last season, then didn't play the second half because he's been injured or he transferred over to Bournemouth. And I'm hoping when he gets to Manchester United, gets back to Manchester United, in preseason, he can build himself up and show Eric Ten Hag that he has the ability to jump in the team and get a foothold, because he also is a very good right back. It's also Jamaicans. A big shout out to Ethan Laird. I want him to show that he can play the game that how he wants to play. Win balls in the defensive area, go up and cross balls in, smart crosses in. So I'm waiting. I'm hoping that we can see that from Ethan Laird. So Brandon Williams, when he comes back, he won't be playing. I don't think he'll be playing left back this year. He'll be definitely trying for right back. So when he gets back in, he is also a chance. He's also a chance to make himself be known, show himself to Eric Ten Hag that he can make the team and be a part of the team. But for me, the biggest shot at this transfer market that's going to replace Aaron Wan-Bissaka is this man, Jed Spence. Now, before we go further into Jed Spence, just remember, Jed Spence also has Jamaican parentage, so it's possibly a chance that he might be playing for Jamaica soon. I mean, England full of right back, left, right, and center. So where else is he playing? Big up yourself, Jed Spence. Big up yourself. I'm waiting on you. The JFF. But I'm waiting for you, fam. Waiting on you. But yeah, Jed Spence has a great chance of becoming the next Manchester United right back for years. This man has the ability to do what? He can pass, he can get past a player, and more importantly, he can put a cross into the box. And that's the most important thing when it comes to a right back. You have four options. You have four things to do: defend, pass, beat a player, and cross. And this man has all the attributes he needs. Yes, there's things that he has to work on, just like positioning, just like being a part, not playing 3 in the back anymore, but 4 in the back when it comes to Manchester United. But I'm begging you, call him agent Manchester United. Call this agent, because this man right here can be the difference between we playing with Diego Lowe next year and have him playing his Spurs farm. This man can be one of the keys that we need, and he's very cheap, 15, 20 mil. Come on, people, let's go. Big up yourself, best of yourself. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Rome. You guys have been brilliant. Best of yourself. Take care of yourself. Manaz.